Let us go ahead and write everything as expanded product. So 4, I can write it as 2 multiplied by 2. A squared is A multiplied by A. B power 3 is B multiplied by B multiplied by B. 5 is just 5. Then I have B. C is C multiplied by C. Everything over 10, I can write it as 2 multiplied by 5. Then I have A. B squared is B multiplied by B. Then I have C. Next, I begin the cancellation process. So 2 in the numerator cancels with 1, 2. I remain with 1, 2 there. Okay. Then what about 5? I have 5 in the numerator, which cancels with 1, 5 in the numerator. Then I have A here, cancels with 1A. I remain with 1A. I have 3 B's in the numerator, so 2 B's cancels with these 2 B's. Then I have 1 C in the denominator, cancels with 1 C in the numerator. So let me write out what I have. I have 2 multiplied by A. Then I have B here, multiplied by another B here, multiplied by C. Everything over, nothing remains in the numerator, in the denominator, so I just have over 1. Okay? Any number divided by 1 is that number. So I can just write this out as 2A. B multiplied by B is B squared C. And we are done, guys.